All the information shared in this video is available on the public platform. Nothing is discussed here which may breach the confidentiality of our armed forces. Defense Detective respects our defense forces and works only on the information that is available for public use.
India's mobile phone exports have soared to an unprecedented high, crossing the 2 lakhs crore rupees mark in the financial year 2024-25, according to data released by the India Cellular and Electronics Association, ICEA. This marks a significant 55% surge from 1,29,000 crore rupees recorded in FY 2023-24. In a landmark development, smartphones have emerged as India's largest export commodity, overtaking traditional leaders such as petroleum products and diamonds. ICEA hailed this as a major achievement under the Government of India's flagship Make in India initiative. The exponential growth in exports is largely attributed to the Production-Linked Incentive (PLI) scheme, which has played a transformative role in scaling up India's electronics manufacturing ecosystem. The scheme has not only drawn substantial foreign investments but also enabled India to become a key player in global electronics value chains. Leading the charge are global giants Apple and Samsung, which have significantly expanded their manufacturing operations in India over the past year. As a result, India's overall mobile phone production reached an estimated 5,25,000 crore rupees in FY 25, up from 4,22,000 crore rupees in the previous year. Crossing to lakh rupees crore in smartphone exports marks a strategic inflection point, said ICEA Chairman Pankaj Mohindru. Smartphones becoming India's top export commodity reflects the growing strength, maturity, and global integration of our electronics sector. The PLI scheme has been central to this transformation. Despite the success, ICEA highlighted ongoing challenges related to cost competitiveness, infrastructure, logistics, and tariffs. Addressing these disabilities remains a key focus to ensure India's sustained growth in the sector. Our priority is to further deepen our scale, drive export-led growth, and create a robust component ecosystem to support long-term leadership in the global electronics value chain, Mohindru added. ICEA also pointed to evolving global trade dynamics, especially recent reciprocal tariffs announced by US President Donald Trump, which could open new strategic export opportunities for Indian electronics in the US market. While shifts in global trade policies present new openings, India's ambitions are global. Our aim is to be the preferred electronics manufacturing and supply partner across all major global markets, Mohindru said. With this historic milestone, ICEA reaffirmed its commitment to supporting India's target of achieving $500 billion in electronics manufacturing and exports by 2030, positioning the country as a global leader in electronics production and innovation.